Good morning, friends. Today is the fourth day of our study program. Here, the program is How to Speak English. So, we have been dealing with LSRW. LSRW stands for listening, speaking, reading, and finally writing. So, now we have been dealing with the first part, that is listening. Connected with the first part, we are going into three powers. First is the power of comprehension, second is the power of conception, and third is the power of contemplation. With the help of these three powers, we are able to go from hearing to listening. For hearing, we do not need any discipline, but for listening, we need a discipline. The discipline we need for listening are three factors. They are the power of comprehension, power of conception, and power of contemplation. It is similar to the making of food in the kitchen, storing of food in the kitchen, and finally the eating of the food. So the three processes are involved here. First is making of food. So making of food is connected with power of comprehension. So what is making of food? What is happening? We are receiving certain material and rejecting certain material. And we must know what must be rejected and what must be received. So that process of receiving and rejecting, that process is comprehension. So comprehension is our capacity to choose what is needed and avoid what is not needed. So the process of two opposites happening. One is accepting, another is rejecting. So our intelligence helps us to choose what is good and what's bad. So instead of passion, we are promoted by intelligence. If we are promoted by passions, what happened? We are not able to distinguish what is good and bad. So we can distinguish what is good and bad with the help of proper intelligence. A good intelligence is needed for comprehension. So yesterday we were talking about comprehension. Today we are dealing with power of conception. So conception is the second stage. Second stage, we are dealing with something finished material. The finished material is whatever we make in the kitchen that must be stored. So the storing process happens with conception. In the same way, we are storing certain ideas in our mind. For that storing process, what we need is repetition. So by repeating certain ideas, we are able to store it in our mind. So that repeating process is happening with the process of conception. So here it helps us in the long run for speaking also. For speaking, what we need is memory. Whatever we learn, that must be stored in the mind. Then it becomes memory. So that memory helps us to speak well. For speaking well, the pre-requirement is memory. That memory happens through the power of conception. Power of conception helps us to store certain ideas, and that ideas becomes memory, and that memory helps us to speak well. So that is the power of conception. So today we think about conception, and tomorrow we are going into the next part, that is contemplation. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.